Hey YouTube, it's an Cap here, and check out what I got here. I got another drone. It's a Quadcopter TR-55. You know, like if you look at here, see. Oh fuck, hold on. TR-55, I think. There's the little drone right here. This drone, I'm like, it's like a motion control drone. TB-8DZ Quadcopter. Unlike the other drone, it has a cage for the propellers, to protect the propellers, make the crashes less severe. It also, unlike the other drone, is motion control. You know, you wave this thing around, and it like controls the drone. Here, let me try and show you. Okay. So this is like the back of the drone. This is the front, I think. I'm gonna try to fly it for you guys. Alright. Alright, so how do I do this? Damn it. Hang on a sec. Okay. See, here's how you use the remote. Damn it. See, here's how you use the remote. You know, you got my hand here, you got this little finger holder right here, and you got my hand here, and this is the little joystick on it, and this is the power button right here. This is the power button, and you turn it on. You turn it on like this, and then you make the drone go up. Oh, whoa. Like that. See? Pretty cool, huh? You tilt it. Oh, fuck. I wish I could show my hand in the shot at the same time. I'm tilting this drone otherwise. But if I move my hand from the camera, it's gonna move the drone too. So, here. Okay, let me show you a bit. Okay, I can kind of get it. You tilt it like that. Whoa. You go back. Whoa. Oh, shit. Hold on. See? Whoa. Pretty cool, huh? It's kind of nice. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I've used this before. I just didn't really show it off much on the camera yet. But here it is, and you can see it fly. I can get it to go higher, I think. Hold on, let me see. I can get this baby to go up higher. Whoa. Holy. Okay. It should go higher. Whoa. Holy shit. So, you tilt it around. Hang on a sec. And if you want to have a little bit of an emergency landing, you basically just hit the power button. Goes straight down. And, you can do tricks with it, though I'm not quite good at that or sure how. You can get to do a barrel roll, basically. You can hold on, let me move the display screen. You can basically get this thing to do a barrel roll. And it's kind of late, so I might do more tricks with it and show this off later, but you get the gist. This is a drone, motion sensing, quadcopter. On the box, it says it's a TB-8DZ Quadcopter. Sorry, that's a bit backwards. I don't know how to make it forward on the camera or flip it around. But on here it says it's like a TR-55 Quadcopter. I don't know what the hell that was up with that. But whatevs. That's the drone. I can hold on a sec. Actually, I wonder where I put that other drone. Anyways, I guess that's enough for now. Hang on a sec. Oh yeah. Oh wait a second. Oh yeah, here's my other drone. I can show it after all. See, here's this guy, and here's this guy. And if you do this, you can hold on a sec. Damn it. Some shit this. Okay. And do that. Hold on. Put the ones on top first. And yeah, you can flip all these out. Hold on a sec. I think this is the... I forget which way was forward, which way was... Oh yeah, this is... This part of the drone, this part on top of it, that's forward because that's a camera. So you have this drone, you know, like this, and you have this drone like this. They should both be facing me. I mean, they should both be facing the right way to go forward. They're facing forward away from me. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, stuff like that. And these are their two respective controllers. This is a Dirk drone, the DERC, and yeah, that's that. I'm kind of joked, so I gotta go to bed. Alright, so it's the ANCAP cat signing out on the whole drone video.